Have you ever met someone less educated than you, less smart than you, but 10 times wealthier? And somewhere in the back of your mind, a question stings. How did they get ahead of me? I'll tell you exactly why. They did the one thing most intelligent people never do. They took action. At some point in all of our lives, something happens. An idea hits you. A dream starts forming. A voice inside says, "What if I actually did this?" And then another voice shows up. "But what if I fail? What will people think? Maybe the timing isn't right." And just like that, the dream gets buried, right alongside the millions of other dreams that never made it out. Because here's what most of us were taught growing up. Don't make mistakes. Avoid failure. Play it safe. And we followed that advice so well that we stayed safe our entire lives. Safe, comfortable, stuck. Look at every successful person and you'll find one thing in common. They didn't take the safe road. They took the road that felt uncertain, looked risky, and had people laughing at them. Take Jack Ma. He got rejected from over 30 jobs, applied to KFC, didn't get it. When he pitched the idea for Alibaba to his friends, 16 out of 17 told him, "This will never work." But Jack Ma didn't listen to the crowd. He stopped overthinking and started moving. Today, Alibaba is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. The only difference between him and the people who laughed? He kept going when everyone else stopped. Amazon has a core leadership principle called bias for action. It means this: even when you don't have all the information, even when the path isn't perfectly clear, move anyway, because clarity doesn't come before the journey, it comes during it. So many people say, "I'll start once I figure everything out." But that moment never comes. You never see the full path. You only ever see the next step. That's all you need. Want to learn a new skill? Start today. Want to freelance? Start today. Want to build a business? Start today. It's okay if things feel foggy right now. Every successful person started in the fog. They just kept walking, and the path built itself. Here's the only thing I want you to take from this. Confidence doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. Overthinking keeps you safe, but it doesn't move you forward. So today, right now, take one small step, because the path is built for those who walk it, not for those who stand still waiting for it to appear.